This video is brought to you by the COSBILAB Learning Center. Hello, my name is Angela Sanger and I am the Applications Manager at COSBI. In this video, I will show you how to perform simulations with COSBILAB. We'll continue using the simplified EGFR network model. In the toolbar of COSBILAB Model, you will find the one-click simulation icon. Here you can specify the duration of the simulation in one of three ways: by the number of reactions to be performed, or by specifying directly the time, or you can combine the time with an output resolution. COSBILAB Model remembers your one-click simulation settings, and each time you click on the arrow icon, a single simulation of the model is performed. This allows quick debugging of your model. The results are saved in the COSBILAB folder on your desktop. To change the folder, go to Simulation in the menu and click on Set Folder. To perform instead parameter scans and multi-run simulations, open the Simulation Wizard by clicking on the arrow with the plus icon in the toolbar. When opening the Simulation Wizard directly from COSBILAB Model, you'll see your model is automatically selected for simulation. The Simulation Wizard may also be used separately with other COSBILAB tools. First, let's specify the environment where we want to run the simulation. We can run a simulation on the local computer, or for computationally heavy simulations, we can send it to a networked high-performance computing cluster, or send it directly to a cloud service. I'll select my local computer and specify where the results will be stored. Also, if you have a multi-core computer, you can specify how many cores you want to dedicate to the simulation. Now, for our EGFR network model, let's perform a parameter scan and multi-run simulation. First, let's specify the simulation duration. To perform a parameter scan, tick the checkbox on the bottom of the screen. Not ticking the checkbox allows you to perform multi-run simulations without parameter scanning. Next, you will see a list of parameters in the model. We tick the parameters we want to scan, then go to the next page. Here, we can select between a linear or logarithmic scale or list of values for the parameter scan. Let's select linear. Now, we see the original value of the parameter from model. We need to enter a value for the start and the end of the range, and how many points should be distributed across the range. Before going to the next page, we check whether all combinations of the generated models are still valid. Next, let's define a multi-run simulation. In number of runs, you enter how often a simulation with the same parameter set should be repeated. Multi-run simulations allow you to calculate an average behavior of a model. Each simulation produces 4 output files, so performing 5 runs for a model results in 5 runs times 4 output files, or 20 output files. So if you tick the aggregate results checkbox, then the output of the 5 runs is combined and you will receive the standard 4 simulation output files. In addition, you can specify a sample resolution for the aggregation. Lastly, you will see a summary of your simulation choices, including how many different models are produced by the parameter scan, how often or how many runs each model is simulated, whether the results are aggregated, and where the output will be saved. And now you're ready to start your parameter scan and multi-run simulation. When the simulation is complete, you will see a simulation result window confirming where the output files are stored. So to conclude, COSBILAB allows easy configuration of one-click simulation for quick debugging of models, enables you to perform multi-run simulations with aggregated output, allows easy scanning of parameters, and also allows a choice of simulation environments. This concludes the COSBILAB Simulations video. Please visit the Learning Center for more videos. Thank you.